Using PopSocket with MagSafe for the last year has always been one of my favorite MagSafe accessories. Sometimes I want to leave my wallet at home. I want a simple all-in-one device for everything, and that brings me to the PopSocket Wallet Plus by PopSocket. Hello and welcome back. It's VLD. Let's get started. Apple introduced MagSafe a couple years ago, and that has turned into a billion-dollar industry, like the Nintendo Wii with all those plastic shells. I'm pretty sure you have a dozen in a drawer somewhere, just collecting dust. One accessory maker I always go back to is PopSockets. The MagSafe PopSocket is and always will be one of my favorite go-to devices for my iPhone. It's easy to use, it's well designed, it won't break your bank. It's only about $30, and each month they come out with more and more colors. I have the blue variation just because the black was getting old. Hands down, it is one of my favorite accessories for my phone. All you have to do is snap it on, and it's that simple. Like always, you can take off the grip and use whatever one you want. It's a cool feature that only PopSocket has. I do like to downsize. Going into 2023, my wallet has shrank throughout the years. I seem to carry less and less. At this point, I have my ID, maybe 4 or 5 different cards. I really don't carry cash. Pretty much most people either use Apple Pay or just carry around a couple debit cards, so wallets don't really need to be big anymore. So I picked up off Amazon for around $40 the PopSockets Wallet Plus with MagSafe. If you want a PopSocket, a wallet for your cards, and being able to attach it to your phone so you only need one device for everything. You can hold anywhere from 3 to 5 cards. I'm not really a big fan of the Apple MagSafe wallets. I like having grips on my devices just because phones are so big, so you want to make sure your devices are nice and secure and protected. The PopSocket Wallet Plus with MagSafe to me seems like a good alternative for my lifestyle. It is a small and sleek device. If you're a fan of PopSocket with MagSafe, you will feel at home here. It's pretty much the same thing, but having the ability to carry around a couple different credit cards. You can watch videos in landscape mode. You can also mix and match and swap out the different PopSocket grips. They're all compatible with each other. It's pretty much just a 2-step process. It's easy and simple to do. All you have to do is put your cards into it. You have a soft fabric material on the bottom, having a slick, minimalistic device with a PopSocket grip on the end. This to me is miles better than the MagSafe wallet that Apple sells. Using PopSocket products in the past, I know for a fact they are a trusted brand. They have yet to fail on me up to this point. It's a simple concept. You snap them to your phone, you have the PopSocket grip on the end of it, and that's pretty much about it. It doesn't really break the bank, around $40. If you are already familiar with all their products or you have a variety of PopSockets, this one will feel at home here. It's quite familiar. If you like having a PopSocket with MagSafe, having a wallet, if you only have a couple different cards, this might be the perfect product for you, especially at the price point being $40. It's an all-around good product. Going forward, I'll be leaving my wallet at home and I don't really need anything else. Sorry to change it up a little bit from PopSockets. I wanted to throw this product in here as a one-off because it kind of goes with everything. Right now, I picked this off AliExpress for about $7. It's from a company called KUULAA. It took about 3 weeks to get here. It's a thin 9mm aluminum stand. Just having something sleek and cool like this. If you like to have your tablet or your phone just on the table, there are 4 different angles you can adjust on the back side of it just for different viewing angles. It will work with with my Mini 6. It will work with the bigger iPads, the Mini, your phone. It's just something cool I wanted to throw in there. It's only $7. Granted, it will take a few weeks to get here. It's a slim stand. It's easy to throw in your bag. All in all, I do like this. For being pretty cheap, I can't really complain. Back to your normally scheduled program. Between having both products, having the PopSocket with MagSafe, it's a good product. They come out with new colors. I will eventually pick up the clear one. That one looks super slick. If you're someone who likes to carry around less, the PopSocket Wallet Plus with MagSafe, it's only $10 more, $30 versus $40. If you're someone who really doesn't like carrying around a wallet, this would be a very nice product. So like always, I'm your host, VLD. Smash that bell to subscribe, give me a like or a comment. So like always, stay classy.